How you doing? James G here. Welcome to the channel. Start this with a few phone clips, just basically different types of contracts for customer reference, etc. But clearly there's a bit more to it than that. I've been really busy lately, but I'm going to try and make a special effort to post more regularly. So if you help me, and please hit the subscribe and like button, and even leave a comment, as it really does help all around. Bye for now, and hope you enjoy the clip.
Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services using the latest thermal and acoustic solutions, giving you real savings and real comfort.
So, I've got this mystery here, but like that gives you an idea of the amount of stuff it's coming down through this chimney, where all this limestone's coming out on the face of it. Now, obviously you can see the difference in the two. They haven't hosed and brushed them around like that there with like normal antique. You know, they've just cut them joints off. Whereas up above here, above this course here, it's completely different. But not only that, it's you know, the mix is completely different. So whereas this here, yeah, this is hard as a rocker. Look, you can feel the noise of that. Look at this. You know what I mean? I could dig all that mortar out there. So basically the brickies have finished there, and some clown has come along afterwards and built that chimney. See, it's a nice wee spot. These houses are what, 20 years old maybe? Yeah, 20. Look at the state of this chimney here. Look at this here. And what does that tell you? It tells you that it's about a 7-to-1 mixer, look. Which is the reason why there's grass growing out of it. So basically we're going to have to machine the whole lot out and just put a concrete cap on, I suppose. Reinforced concrete cap, and then finish it off with some slurry, and then do some structural pointing down below here with a decent primer in it. Yeah. Here, look. I mean, look at this. You sort of know just by looking at the colour of them. This is a very, very inferior flange. Okay, so we need, there's two 900s. We're going to have to use both of these here because there's one side there, one half. Well, it's actually a quarter. Is this bit here. So we'll have to cut it. There's another side here, and then we'll have to use the other one to do the other two. Okay, so I'm chopped up now. All we need is a wee bit of primer. See, they're all primed up now. Ready to go. Craggy. I don't know where to go surfing. Let's do this chimney. I'm going to get the load away here. There we go, stand line again. Yeah, but we're not going anywhere today. Well, actually, we'll go for something to eat now. This is finished. Yeah, we're stuck here in Crawford's, but we'll only see view. Okay, so here we go. We're all caps on, new cap, all newly pointed. Got the satellite dish back on. You know, we're all good to go. That's good for That'll last another 100 years anyway, I'm sure. So, there you are now. There's stem line again. Wee bit misty today. But anyway, got a nice new chimney. So, with a cap and everything finished.
So, if it's simple repairs or your dream home improvements, go to Belfast Building and Roofing at www.jgm-ni.com or call James on 02890 160 472 to book your free survey now. Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort. So, if it's simple repairs or your dream home improvements, go to Belfast Building and Roofing at www.jgm-ni.com or call James on 02890 160 472 to book your free survey now. Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort.